Hi everyone. Let's take a walk through my backyard garden. It is raining out here. It's slacking up a little bit so I can come out here and show you everything what's going on. My asparagus is doing good. Have to find somewhere to transplant the asparagus. We're just gonna take a walk through. Too much I want to say right now about the garden. Just only I just put out some flowers right here. To bring some color in the garden. But it's always raining. And look at my banana plant. It's putting out another leaf. I just don't understand what's going on with my papaya. I have one papaya on here. Can you see it? It's getting big. But the flowers is falling off the rest of them. They are all females. I'm growing guava really good. Got another fruit of guava is coming on. And I harvest my pepper plants. Not my pepper plants, my peppers, my bad. Here's one of my pumpkins growing. And here's my mango plant growing. Here's my beans. It's doing its thing. Oh, this when they taste young, it tastes so good. Here's my other pumpkin. Look, I got to feed it some of it a little bit. It's turn a light green color. And my turmeric is growing. But it's always raining. But I am adding flowers to bring in colors and pollinators. I think about digging up 2 of them suckers on this banana plant right here. So I'm going to take the energy away from the other plant. Like this one. I haven't put on suckers yet, but I think because I'm mulching on top of it real heavy and it's keeping the suckers coming up, I guess. But I haven't seen a sucker on this one yet. Okay, y'all. From my yard to yours, I'm Pat Smith. Bye.